Think I'll rename my heart the calendar. It'll surely know just when to end. To